Breast cancer now say they happen for the breast number one. And wetin be cancer? Cancer means say your cells, they here go, they here come. Make them sit down for one place, then no go sit down. Make them no spread, then don't go here word. So that they cause problems. So cancer now say cells for your body just wake up one morning and start to dey behave haywire. Now be cancer, and if it affect the breast. And the funny thing about it be say it affect women well. It even kill women because they come late to hospital. When they see that thing for breast, they go say, no, now my village people, now send that to me. And that woman where I no greet last week, now give me breast cancer. No be so. And when they come hospital, you go see the breast don't big. The thing they come out water, they smell. They will come, they hide them. Now we say, I beg, early detection. If you catch them early, chance they say, no fit by you go survive am.
For the ladies out there, even for the men, when we say all una know how to do now, say she get big bobby, make her touch her. She get bobby, make her touch her. When the last time as husbands, una don't follow una wife, examine her bobby.
Tell her, say, madam, look this thing.
There's something that's odd. You know, some women, now their husbands or their partners, they make them realize, say, be like, say they get one small lump.
Correct.
The road where they pass, they touch your bobby before it don't be like, say, don't get a bump.
Ma, I tell you something, one story. Somebody come with me one day for hospital some time ago. He say, he checked something for him bobby, he did her breast, one part of her breast. I can't say, okay. We go check the other one first before we check this one where problem day. So I call my chaperone, we examine the lady. Do you know say that one where she say problem no day? It's not even day that one. She don't even know. So the one where we say they normal, we want first start with before we check the abnormal one. I say, you don't know, say something there. He say no, only this one, So two things be there for the two breasts.
Hey, wait. When be the last time you examine your bobby? And after you take the examine now, and now when be men self, how now they play on their own part to make sure say the women, the daughters wanna get, or the wives wanna get, the girlfriends wanna get, then they make sure say you don't always need to go hospital for mammogram.
My name is Itemi.
You tell me, okay, so how you tell they help your woman till they make sure say she they check her breast?
Okay, me I dey help her my own and to suck everything come out.
Forget them because this man,
man.
you be bandits. Get right here, man. Stay back.
70 years old man. We are talking 40. You say, oh God.
No, but you know, say a lot of guys they say me doing just that. They help the woman.
Now lie, they help anything. If you suck from January to December, Oga, you are just doing.
Because that mess over the squeeze like that pure water when
they say if you suck now breastfeeding they protect. No be the one way they do, Oga. No use that one they scam that auntie. You hear me? So if you want suck, tell her say you want suck.
Don't come and tell us that.
Don't come and be using scope. Say they say if you suck give it to me.
Give it. Easy, give it to me.
Are you playing?
Always check my breast every blessed day.
Every blessed day.
I check it every blessed day.
It they take time because some people will be like, they rush come up for us.
No, they take time. I will stand in the mirror and make sure I check it.
Who there the line talk to us?
Hello.
Hello, good morning, mommy.
Good morning, Doctor. Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah. Doctor, there was a day like this, a woman delivered in our hospital. My name is Tina Ezima.
Oh, welcome. Welcome, ma.
Thank you. So, the breast never come out. The milk breast no come out. We said, let us clean the breast milk so that it will come out. The baby will suck it. You know, when I was cleaning it, it's blood that is coming out. What is the cause of that?
I know if you say this one, that's the cause. I cannot say because that this kind of story right now, they come on. So we need to find out why. You understand? You go discuss with the woman because sometimes maybe the woman don't they get pain before. Something don't they nobody know. So you will have to speak with the woman, examine the woman, follow her talk to know. Then that thing will come out. Most times if you go carry and do test, so you go good, make she see doctor, make they examine that breast and even look at the thing will come out to even know. Right now we know if he guess from the head saying that this thing cause am.
Remote, those of them for what's up. This one come, he said, okay, chief, good morning. I they check myself every 2 times a week. Lolo from St. Augustine for Iba. Iba people now they get time. Well done, I love it.
Yes.
This one come, he say you want call. Who did the line? Talk to us. You get 30 seconds. Spoku.
Hey, good morning, chief.
Good morning, mama. What did they play? What did they
Good morning.
Have fun.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mommy Esther from Ikoto.
Mommy Esther, welcome. Oh, yeah, drop your matter.
Yes, so me I dey check.
Correct.
I dey check after month 3 seconds. After month 3 seconds.
Yes. After you see your period.
Yes.
Correct.
Oh, I like this one talk. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay,
yes.
Quickly. Women, when they want check their body, say normally when we say just before your period, your hormones they rise and they get very, very for matured women in a sensual place, and your body go call heavy. Then post period, for some people see they heavy, some people they light. When be the best time to take check? That's once a month or twice.
After your period don't finish, because some people when their period they go on, their breastfeed they pain them. So give your body at least 3 days or 5 days, so that time the breast way heavy go don't reduce, the pain go don't go down. So 3 or 5 days after you stand, you check them, so your hand go feel move, because if you check them during your period time, if it hard, if it's strong, it can cause you pain. Like make you say wait, make your period first finish.
Okay, Pretty from Chevron.
Yes,
she say if me I dey get breast pain, honestly I go just use hot water press am and it dey stop and nothing dey come out. It's just pain. But for what be your final thoughts for people when they say they need to understand wetin breast cancer be and how they fit dey maintain themselves?
The final thought be say prevention is better than cure, and even when you pick am early, hope dey. So the whole teaching, the whole discussion, I say make we no let am make it go far. Catch am early. I beg, check your bobby. Now your bobby, check am, I beg.
Now your bobby, check am. Nobody will check it for you.
Good life.
Nah, sense.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.